Welcome back. In conclusion, everything that we did from setting up our download page to setting up our sales page was really designed to attract as many prospects as we can and to keep them in our marketing funnel. So we minimize the opportunities to put affiliate links and other links that take people outside of our marketing funnel and maximize the opportunities to keep them in. We also maximize our opportunities to collect leads and then to get more sales. The whole idea behind completing the funnel is making sure that we don't have leaks outside and lots of opportunities for our prospect or our buyer to click outside of things that will take them away from our funnel. At the same time, we talked about the fact that we want our branding, we want our images, we want our messaging to be consistent from offer to offer so that the customer always knows what the primary theme is and that we keep them in that frame of mind so that even as we offer upsells with more value and more opportunities for them to get closer to their goal, that they will be more in the mindset that they will actually want what we have to offer. And so now, as you begin to set up your own squeeze page and thank you pages, remember to make sure that what you're doing is you're keeping a consistent message of getting the buyer closer to their goal through the solution that you are offering them on the front end. You continue to enhance that. You continue to give them more value. You continue to make it easy for them in your upsells and your cross sells. And when it's possible, we even want to start that messaging as early as we possibly can at the point at which affiliates are promoting a message that's going to be consistent with our entire funnel so that your buyer is in the mind frame of getting themselves closer and closer to a solution they want to have or to a goal they want to accomplish. And so that's it for making sure that you have a complete sales funnel. And with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.